Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you have a dog that is a power chewer like mine, then I highly recommend checking out these deer antlers from WhiteTail Naturals. Made in the USA, these are the XXL Jumbo Red Deer Antler Chews. I have an American Bulldog. She's about 90 pounds, and she is an aggressive power chewer. Nothing lasts with her. It's always destroyed or gobbled up within a few minutes. So I was really looking for a quality chew that will last a long time, and I'm very happy with these antlers, but more than me, you can see how much Athena loves these. They're durable, odorless, the perfect alternative to harmful chews and bones. She's able to get some of the insides out, which is really nice because it provides minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and zinc. These antlers have been custom trimmed down to ensure that there are no jagged edges. I couldn't recommend these enough. It's been a great addition to her collection of chews, and they are the perfect length. She can grasp these with her two paws, and she still has plenty to chew on. So go ahead and get these for your pups. And that is my point of view.